Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at a couple of Whitestone Dome products for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And a big thanks to Whitestone Dome for sending this out to review. You'll have to excuse my voice, I just had a surgery on my gums, so that's why I sound like this. Alright, so Whitestone Dome sent me out a whole kit to take care of my phone. So they have their premium screen protector, we have the Dome Glass Easy, this is for the camera itself. We have a premium film. We also have a dome glass clear case. And we have the USB-C to USB-C cable, as well as their USB PD AC charger with 65 watts. All right, so take a quick look at the small stuff first. We have the USB-C to USB-C cable. This comes in at $11.99. This one is a 6-foot braided cable. In our box, we have just pretty simple packaging here with our cable. And as you can see, we do have a Whitestone labeling on that. You do have some Velcro to hold this together, which is really nice. And 6 foot is really nice, but you can tell this is a really nice thick cable. It looks like it's very, very good quality, so that will be nice and will last quite a while. Next up, we have the USB PD AC adapter. It is a 65 watt adapter. Have a little window look at it, and you can see all the different things it's compatible with. But it works with iOS and Android, so let's go ahead and open this up and take a look. And this comes out at a price of $34.99. Alright, so in the box we get a little instruction manual and the plug itself. So we get a little document just telling us about the charger itself, how to use it, of course. It should be pretty simple. We have our features as well as documentation here. So it does actually have two USB-C outputs and a USB-A output, so you can charge multiple devices with this. And here it is. You can see it has 65W on there. We have a matte texture and black shiny texture around it, a white stone on that side. And then our plug pops out like so. And then of course we have our two USB-C outputs as well as USB-A. Now one thing I want to check is to see if it'll charge just as fast as Samsung's 45 watt charger. Alright, so when I last plugged this in, it said it had 38 minutes to charge to full from where it was at with the Samsung chargers. Let's go ahead and charge this real quick and see what it says. 39 minutes till full, so it is giving you full fast charging with this charger as well. Right, next up, we'll take a look at the dome glass. This is a clear case for the S22 Ultra. It also has room enough where you can actually use the camera cover that they offer, and I'll show you that in just a few minutes. This case comes in at a price of $16.99, and as you can see, we have Whitestone branding. We have a picture of the case here. Let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. All right, so you have a pretty nice, simple, clear case. You have some plastic on both sides. This is your typical clear case for your Samsung Galaxy S22. It does feel pretty rigid. It does still have a little bit of give to it. We do have a ring around the camera, so it will protect the back. Let's go ahead and pop our phone in and take a quick look here. And there you go. So it's clear on all sides, as you can see here. It does leave some room here for that curved display, but we do have some protection on the very top and on the very bottom. As you can see right here, you do have Whitestone branding at the bottom here. So as you can see the full color of your S22 Ultra. You could put a photo back here if you wanted to. Really nice. Do have a nice perfect cutout for our microphone here. Our cutouts down here are also perfect for our USB-C and for our speaker, excuse me. And we have our S Pen, and that's easy to retrieve as well. So pretty nice case. Again, $16.99. Next up, we'll be taking a look at the Dome Glass Easy, and this is a camera protector. Comes in a 2-pack, costs $11.99. So as you can see on here, perfect fit, metal material, easy installation, and scratch protection. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a quick look. All right, so here's what's included in the kit. We have 2 camera protectors, we have 2 cleaning cloths, dust removal sticker, and a larger cleaning cloth. Now, as you can see, our camera protector actually doesn't have any lens cover at all. All it does is give this a typical camera bump that you would have on any other phone, because Samsung did it a little bit differently with this phone. All right, so we'll go ahead and take our cleaning cloth here. We'll go around the camera lenses, get this as clean as we possibly can before we put this on. And then we'll use our cleaning cloth to dry that up here. Now that we've cleaned it up, we'll go ahead and apply our camera protector. So again, it has that 3M tape on the back. Try to remove all of it, but I did not. And just try to line that up a little bit here, and then you should be able to just place down firmly And so that's how that's going to look. So it actually looks pretty nice. I wish they had a white version for the white S22 Ultra, or maybe like color versions, but it will protect the camera lenses. Adds a little bump, of course, just like a typical smartphone. But as you can see, it also works with their case here. So the only thing I will say with this is if you, depending on the case you get, it may not work. So for example, this UAG case has a different camera lens layout than the Whitestone Dome was. So you may have to remove this if you do get a different case that has a different layout for your camera. Now, this next one I'm actually not going to apply, but I wanted to show you to you anyway. So I'm sorry about that, but this is the Whitestone Dome Premium Film. So this is a traditional screen protector. This one comes in a 2-pack. Comes in at $14.99. So I will show you what comes in here, but it does come with a 2-pack of film, 2-pack camera lens protector. So it looks like you get those same protectors that I just showed you. All right, so in the box on this one, you can see we have the regular screen protector. It looks like it's pretty easy to apply. You get 2 of those, of course. We get 2 more of those camera protectors, the one I just showed you on the phone. You also have the application kit for that as well. So that is if you want the traditional screen protector. This one shouldn't have any issues with the fingerprint scanner on the S22 Ultra also. All right, we're saving the best for last. So this is the premium screen protector. It's a full solution for your phone. It has a 2-pack here. This comes in at a price of $49.99 traditionally. However, it is on sale right now for $39.99. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it on my S22 Ultra here. Now, as you can see, the one I'm using currently is just a traditional, flexible, crappy screen protector. So hopefully this will be really, really nice for this phone. All right, so on the front, you can see this offers full response, full clarity, full coverage, and full filling. It's a liquid optically clear adhesive and adhesive curing by UV light. So that's super interesting. So we're gonna try this out. All right, here's everything that comes in the box. So this is quite interesting. So we have a little place to put our phone, it looks like here. We have some cleaning supplies. We have, it looks like the adhesive itself. We even have that UV light here to cure it. So as well as a charger for this UV light. So quite interesting. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this. So I'm not gonna lie, this was kind of a nightmare to do. Just for someone who's never done it before, it looks okay, but you can see there are quite a few bubbles on here. Now I didn't go through the whole procedure of getting this screen protector on because I had to look it up myself to see what it looked like. So I'm gonna leave you a link down to Josh Quinona's video. That was pretty good at showing you how to do this. However, the problem I had was the first time I actually put the UV liquid or the adhesive on there, it leaked all over my desk instead of staying in the spot it was supposed to stay in. And then when I put the second one on there, it didn't really want to go all the way down, even with the weight that they included. So just kind of a nightmare, very sticky stuff everywhere, but it's on here. It does have a couple bubbles on here, but it still looks pretty good. And the one thing we want is for our fingerprint scanner to work. So that does work. Now it doesn't go completely over to the edge here, so it'll still work with cases. And but other than that, it is full coverage. It feels like a nice glass screen protector, and it does have room up here for your camera, as you can see here. So definitely really nice if you can install it properly. It's a lot more involved than traditional glass screen protector or a film screen protector, which they sell. But yeah, so that is the main thing I wanted to show you there. So again, if you want to see the installation process, I'll leave a link down below where you can see it. His video is way better than what mine could ever be. But yeah, for a first timer, I think it did okay, minus the bubbles. All right, so there you guys have it, a quick look at a couple of products from Whitestone Dome. So thank you to them for sending this out to review. And sorry this took so long to make this video, but hopefully if you're looking for some products for your Galaxy S22 Ultra, this will help you in your search. I'll leave everything here, linked down below if you're curious to check it out. Any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.